Papa's garage, and we are putting his new Xpipe on his Mustang.
Yeah.
So right now we just have it ready on the lift to lift it up, and then we are waiting for it to cool down so we can start the process. We'll see if this fails or not. We've never done this before. We did my grill on my car on the lift, but he has not ever changed the exhaust on his car.
Dude, first time for everything.
So, wish us luck. I have to put my butterfinger down.
No, I got it. Hey, what's up? My name's Tyler. You ain't seen me yet because she told me to leave. I'm barging in now.
This is the box that it comes in from American Muscle. Shout out American Muscle. If you want to sponsor us,
BBK.
hit us up. Unboxing video. Ow.
Here's part of it.
So this part goes up to the headers.
It feels like that. Hey, Katie, you like this part. This is called the cat.
I like cats.
And then this is the other side. And here's where all the magic happens.
Ooh. Oh God. I didn't realize how complicated it was.
So it goes like this. And then it hooks up to my Ralph street glass. And then that's it. It gave me, it didn't come with instructions, but it came with a card that said where to find the instructions.
So Tyler's about to attempt to do something. What are you doing?
Disconnecting the negative part of the battery.
He's disconnecting the negative part of the battery so we don't die.
I don't think so we don't die,
What's it for?
so we don't head off. You were recording. How about?
He doesn't know
What are you saying?
Update. It's been 2 minutes.
And third, it's been 2 hours and we still haven't.
It's been 2 hours and Tyler still doesn't know what he's doing. This might be the easiest part of the whole thing and he doesn't know what he's doing, so might be foreshadowing and we might die.
You know what? Straight up. Want me to tell you something?
What? No, you need to do that.
I can't.
I don't want to die.
We're not.
You heard it here, folks.
We're not gonna die. If you don't see this video, you die.
Car's going up
Are we clear
on a
for takeoff?
Tuesday.
Are we clear for takeoff?
Clear for takeoff. Oh my God.
What?
You have a little buddy riding with you.
It's a fly.
There's a fly.
Alright, you ready? Make sure it don't.
Stop! Take two. We're gonna jack Tyler's car up to this high.
That's the real thing. The exhaust is just a decoy. It's plastic.
Spent $400 on plastic.
Spent over $400 on the lift.
Make sure to like this video so Tyler can get his money back.
Okay, it's gonna make a loud clicking. Don't freak out.
I'm going to freak out. Here you go. pads.
That are supported by this. That's supported by
The only thing that's supporting this car are these pads on right there. Hey, look, there's Tyler. Over there, right there, and then right here. That's so scary.
Alright, you ready?
Ready for what?
Let's go under.
Go. Why don't you just fall? I'm terrified of this. Look at this.
Feel this. Oh, you can stand up. Feel this. See how it's cold? Yeah. Everything's cold. Do that.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah. And I gotta go up there. Ready?
So
You gotta zoom in on my face and be like, raise the base. It's just in your ear.
So we gotta wait for it to get a little cooler before we can begin the process. Or not we, Tyler. I'm not doing anything. So we'll get back with you when it's cooled down. Woo!
Ready?
What connects that? You don't know what you're doing.
Okay, that fits. But here's my quinky. It goes like this. So that would mean that.
Yeah.
But that.
This is.
It can't go like this. Because what's to connect this?
I told you you have to get a welder. Yeah. You're a little stupid, honey. I told you!
Tell me what?
You have to weld it.
No, you don't.
Oh my god, you do!
No, I'm pulling the video right now. It's 4 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock.
Then unplug the forward oxygen sensors.
What are you doing?
What about
But seriously, what are you doing?
that? I don't know.
Apparently Tyler's trying to disconnect the oxygen sensor and it's taking him a bit to find the right wrench size, but guess who found it? Because I'm good. Hey guys, so it's been a little bit. Can you wait? But we just left like a while ago to get a wrench that we didn't have, so everything's been on pause. So now we basically gotta start over. Gotta lift it back up, and then hopefully this will fit.
Did I scare you?
Yes.
Did you jump?
Yes. That's so scary.
No, it's good. You walk under it first then.
It's a moment of truth.
You fit?
Yeah.
Okay,
I don't know which way to screw it.
look how eyeballed it is my car and everything, and you get to try it.
It fits, and now we just gotta figure out which way we gotta to loosen the bolt. I think it goes that way. Like I feel like you gotta push it.
God.
Okay, get back to you when we get it off. Hey guys, this is unfortunately gonna be the end of part 1 of this video because we have been having trouble with a part of the car. There's a bolt that's not wanting to come undone, and it is currently 10 o'clock at night, and Tyler has work in the morning, so we're gonna have to pick it up where we left off. We're gonna pick it up where we left off tomorrow, and that will be part 2 of the video. So stick around to watch that. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks.